Hey guys, welcome to another episode of MEM Science Club. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a basic soldering station. For making a basic soldering station, you're going to need hardboard, aluminum strings, connector clips, aluminum pipe, and a scrub. First, mark all the points where you want to place the materials. Now cut out the marked spots and start by placing the pipe. Now join the connector clips and the aluminum strings together and place them in the hardboard. Now take a spring, and if you don't have one, you can make one using an aluminum string. Now take a small piece of hardboard and place the spring. Glue it up and let it dry. Now place the scrub on the hardboard.